Hello, kids! This is a refrigerator. A refrigerator keeps food and drinks fresh for a long time. Wow, kids! Look at this! This is a washing machine. A washing machine helps wash clothes quickly and easily. Hey, kids! Here is a television. Kids watch cartoons and fun shows on a television. Dear friends, look carefully. This is an air conditioner. An air conditioner keeps the room cool on hot summer days. Come on, kids! Look at this! This is a fan. A fan blows cool air to help you stay comfortable. Wow, friends! Here is a microwave oven. A microwave oven heats up food in just a few minutes. Dear kids, can you recognize this? This is a juicer. A juicer is used to make fresh fruit juice. Come on, friends! Now look at this. This is an electric kettle. An electric kettle boils water in just a few minutes. Wow, kids! Look at this. This is a toaster. A toaster makes bread crispy and golden brown. Come on, kids! Look at this. This is a vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner cleans dust and dirt from the floor. Wow, friends! Here is an iron. An iron removes wrinkles from clothes and makes them neat. Dear kids, can you guess what this is? This is a hair dryer. A hair dryer dries wet hair quickly. Wow, kids! Look at this! This is a room heater. A room heater keeps the room warm during winter. Come on, friends! Now let's look at a sewing machine. A sewing machine is used to sew and repair clothes. Hey, kids! Here is a dishwasher. A dishwasher washes dishes automatically. Dear friends, look carefully. This is a coffee maker. A coffee maker makes fresh coffee in just a few minutes. Come on, kids! Look at this! This is a blender. A blender mixes fruits and other ingredients together. Look, kids! This is a food processor. A food processor chops vegetables and makes cooking easier. Dear kids, can you recognize this? This is an electric oven. An electric oven is used to bake cakes, pizza, cookies, and many other delicious foods. Come on, friends! Now look at this. This is a table lamp. A table lamp gives bright light for reading and studying. Awesome job, kids! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye!